One of the oldest examples is the wolf. Thousands of years ago, humans didn't tame wolves to make pets. They bonded with them for survival. Over time, those wild wolves slowly evolved into the friendly dogs we know today. In ancient Egypt, people kept baboons, gazelles, and even hyenas. Some tombs show hyenas on leashes. They weren't fully tamed, but Egyptians treated them like working animals, and sometimes companions. In Mesopotamia, nobles kept lions. These weren't cuddly pets. They were a symbol of power. Kings raised lion cubs inside palace courtyards and trained them for ceremonies. In ancient India, elephants were raised from a young age and lived closely with their caretakers. They worked, traveled, and sometimes formed real bonds with humans.